Peace to my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family. I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and I'm back as promised with another video where I'll be discussing the life path number one. Now, if you are a life path number one, chances are you're a natural born leader who's full of creative thoughts, ingenuity, ideas, and vision. You may even be the kind of individual who kickstarts projects, but you don't necessarily complete them, especially if they seem a bit too tedious to you. So, if you happen to be in a relationship, you love your independence and you also like to feel needed at the same time. You may also be someone who likes to be the center of attention as well as in a position of control. And the key is learning to be, to avoid becoming overbearing and selfish. Also, you're the kind of person who comes off as being capable and confident, but on the inside, there's something totally different going on. Maybe you're struggling internally with false belief systems that you've somehow built. Okay. And if this is you, you'll do well to remember to not be afraid to show yourself some grace. Also, you want to learn to be more mindful in how you speak to yourself because negative thoughts can hinder your growth and your ability to achieve your goals. And one of the most important things that you want to remember is to learn to work on developing your self awareness because it helps you recognize what your lessons are so that you can improve your life and the relationships you have with other people around you. Now, as far as careers go, many ones are entrepreneurs or bosses, and you don't like being told what to do. That's period. Your competitive mindset is something fierce, okay, which motivates you to reach your goals. Also, many successful professional athletes, especially Olympians, have this same life path number. Now, a word of caution to you: if you are this number and you don't have a healthy way to release all of this energy, it can trigger aggression and destructive behavior. So, we want to be mindful of that, okay? And one of the things you must learn to master is your temper. You may also be driven by instant gratification and immediate results due to being a bit too impulsive, okay? And that's with no pun intended. You can be very inconsiderate of other people's feelings, okay? So I say that to you with love, all right? So you could also be prone to digestive issues. You could also suffer from migraines, addictions, and stress related conditions that affect your shoulders and back. Now, my disclaimer is I am not a professional who can diagnose these things in you. So if you are suffering from any of the ailments that I've just mentioned, please do your due diligence and seek the proper authorities to receive help. Okay. Now, I want to share something mind blowing about this particular number and its significance. When you observe this particular number, just, glance at the screen and take a look at, just study the number. When you observe this number, the straight line that it creates, the one represents the boundaries that you're going to need to develop. Okay. It also shows how the one stands alone, a unique individual striving for the top. All right. Just like I spoke of a little earlier in this video. Now, if you're curious of who may share this same life path number as yourself, you'd find that we have Justin Bieber, David Copperfield, the famous magician, Tom Cruise, and Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., And lastly, we have Ermias Joseph Ascadon, aka Nipsey Hussle. All right, better known to the world as Mr. Prolific himself or Nip the Great. All right. So that's all I have for my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family today. And if you like or love the content that I've been sharing here on this channel, hit that like button. Leave a positive comment if you wish. And a new sub really will be icing on the cake. And on that note, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you. Bless you. Ashe.